This tool can rewrite life itself. Want to see how? Subscribe for the science of CRISPR. You'll get to see a simulation of cut-up. Colored paper strips representing a DNA strand. A section of it is damaged, but we have a replacement piece. Let's do this. We'll use scissors to cut out a section of the DNA strand. Yep, just like the real thing. Scissors are our Cas9 enzyme. They cut at a specific location on the DNA strand based on where we tell them to. In this case, we're telling them to cut at the damaged site. So we put the scissors down here. Now let's simulate the rest of the process. The cell has a repair mechanism that fixes damaged DNA. We're going to represent that with some tape. The cell uses this repair mechanism to fix the cut in the DNA, but it makes a mistake. It pastes the replacement sequence we provided onto the cut, but it's backwards. Why? Because it's DNA. It only has two options. Either this strand is 5' to 3' or 3' to 5'. It just so happens that the strand we cut out was 5' to 3', so the one we're pasting in has to be 3' to 5'. This is the exact mechanism that the CRISPR-Cas9 system uses to edit genes, except with a little more molecular biology. In reality, we program the Cas9 enzyme to cut at a specific location on the DNA strand by giving it a little piece of RNA that guides it to the right spot. Then we provide a template with the correct sequence to paste over the cut. That's all well and good, but how does this actually help us? Well, almost every single trait in an organism is encoded by its DNA. So, if we can edit the DNA, we can potentially edit the traits. That means we can use this to fix genetic defects that cause diseases like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. We could also use this to enhance crops or livestock, or even to resurrect extinct species. The possibilities are really endless. With the right tools, life becomes programmable. But first, you have to know what to program it to do. That's why we do what we do. I don't fix typos in text, I fix them in cells. What am I? Pause the video here if you want to make a guess. In short, we make it possible for you to rewrite the code of life. That's why we do what we do. So yeah, this tool can rewrite life itself. Want to see how it works? You can find out more on our website. Also, please subscribe.